You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is w equals 132/19. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Group all w terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract w/5 from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 20 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Isolate the w. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 5/19. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is w equals 132/19.